This Instant Pot garlic Parmesan whole roasted cauliflower is going to be your new favorite. Get some butter, garlic, lemon zest, parsley, salt, and pepper. That's all you need to make this magic happen. Melt your butter, add your ingredients in. Add in that garlic, the lemon zest, and the fresh parsley, preferably if you have it. If not, use dried. Salt and pepper. You do not need to do anything to your cauliflower other than just trim the leaves off the bottom, put a trivet in your pot, use a half a cup to a cup of water, put that whole baby right in there, and baste it with that butter garlic golden magic. Baste it well, cover it up. We're going to high pressure cook this for 1 minute. If you like your veggies a little crispier, do it for 0. I find this to be the perfect consistency. Here we go. Now I've taken some of the liquid, since I'm going to put it into the broiler, poured it back over because it had all that butter and the garlic. Put grated Parmesan cheese, put it in the broiler, wait till it is this gorgeous brown color, take it out. It cuts so easy, it is tender, perfect to serve. It's delicious. Let me know what you think. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it. That really helps me. Thanks so much, everyone.